Hey, what's going on, everyone? It's your Captain Terrain with All Terrain Cleaning Solutions. Don't mind the misspelling on our website. You know, it's All Terrain with the double R, TERRAINE.com. Anyhow, we're out today doing some window cleaning here for one of our neighbors and clients here in Anatolia. And so we just want to, basically we're going to clean off the screens right here. Just get this for documentation. You take a look at the window here. We got about 10 windows or so. So we're going to get that right there. We're going to get that all clean, spray the screens off. And then we have this one window right here that we're going to be cleaning right there. We're just getting it off of the visuals just for our footage. And then on the side here, we have, there's not very many windows on this house here. We're gonna clean the screen off here, and then we're gonna, just some dust right here. So as you, I don't know if you can see that right there, but yeah, look at all that. It's pretty dusty right there. We're gonna get all that clean.
I'm gonna give you more than $100. It's more than $100, so it's more.
And then what we're gonna do right here, we're gonna get this, clean all the screens off right here, and then of course the window right here. So we always want to get the documentation right there. And then we have right here, these are French sliding patio doors right there. So these particular doors, they slide, they open up right there. So some doors, like when you have a patio, and I think that's probably about 8 feet right there. So they're about 4 by 8. So we got 4, 8, 12, 16, so about 16 feet of window space. So we're going to take off the screens right there, and the screens, everything's in good condition. We're going to put everything back in good condition. We don't see any tears or anything in the screen. So we always want to do documentation just for our clients and for ourselves. And then over here we have 2 windows on this side. You can see that our client already took the screen off. Screens, everything's in good shape. It's really a good idea, everybody, to really, you know, you can tell when homeowners take pride in their home by doing the regular chores and maintenance, by keeping it upkeep, and keeping it looking nice and fresh like this. And so you heard of the saying, if you stay ready, you don't have to get ready. And what that does, this is like preventative maintenance, and it keeps your house looking pristine. So, I mean, kudos to my client here. His name's Steve. I mean, he does well with his house. You can tell that he really keeps up with his house. So anyhow, for the Supreme Clean, you guys know the slogan. Make that number ring, 916-549-5255, or visit us at allterrain.com. You see, we're working out of the new rig. So, hey, we're trying to scale up. So we appreciate everyone's support, especially our neighbors out in Anatolia, Woodside, Somerset, Sunridge, the whole Rancho Cordova community, the whole Sacramento community, from Woodland to Davis, to Folsom to El Dorado Hills. Hey, we appreciate you. Allterrain.com. Thank you.